Abstract speckle surfaces feel dynamic when randomness is structured instead of chaotic. Today, how to design abstract speckle surfaces. Launch Photoshop and create a 2048 by 2048 pixel canvas with a dark navy background. Add a new layer, fill it with white, and apply Add Noise at around 75% Gaussian monochromatic. Open levels and isolate strong speckles, then switch blend mode to overlay for bold integration. Duplicate the layer, rotate slightly, and scale it up to vary particle spacing. Apply Gaussian blur at about 0.8 pixels to the duplicate for depth contrast. Add a gradient map adjustment clip to the speckle layers